Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video number 16, we are going to understand the role of layout file in Next.js, and we also try to understand how page.tsx render as a child inside layout file. So we are going to understand that. You see that in app directory, we have two main file. First one is page.tsx, that is open here. Second one is layout.tsx, that is open here also. In my previous video, I have shown you the role of layout file also, and on that time also I also introduced here navbar. You see, this navbar is shown here in a body tag of layout. Remember that this layout file is a single file in Next.js by default that have HTML and body tag. All the components, all the pages which you create in your Next.js application that render inside this as a child. Remember that this page.tsx file, that is my home page in my application, that file also at runtime comes under this layout file as a child. Remember that this children is a React node. You see, React node as a children means this page.tsx file render as a child inside this layout. That means this layout is the first page that open in Next.js. Remember that if I click on this home URL is there like this. So this time you are watching this page, home page. This home page is rendering. Remember that this home page, this text is coming from page.tsx file. So this page, this file is rendering as a child inside a layout, and you see this navbar is coming from a layout. Remember that if I display something here, like I say h1 and here I say this is layout file, you will see that this text will display above home page. If I refresh it, and you will see that I have to write this is my layout file. Like this I have to text, refresh it, and you see that this is my layout file is coming above this home page, because this home page is a children and this children is coming from page.tsx file. Whatever I write here, it render as a child inside this layout file. Whatever I write here, that goes to each and every route. Remember that if I click on product, in product also you have this text. If I go to service, there also you have this text. If you go to about, that also goes to that. That means these all the routes one by one, whenever I click, they render as a child inside a layout file. Remember that all the routes, like we have home page here, page.tsx, that render inside this as a child. In web route group we have about route here. About route also have page.tsx. If I click on about route, then this page.tsx also render here at runtime. Means each and every route which you open in your application in Next.js, like I do here by product. So product web page.tsx file render as a child inside this layout. Remember that. So this layout is the most important file in your Next.js application. From here you can also decide to give the title to your web pages. Remember that here I am showing Dr. Vipin classes, that is also coming from this metadata, because this constant value metadata information, under this I am changing title and description, and other information you can also change from this, but right now two information we are giving here, title and description. So title is reflecting here in front of you on top of this page, and you see if you click on service also, if you click on about also, on each and every page you have a same title, because this title is given by this layout file. If you want to give title to your individual, suppose you want to click on about and you want to show about page here. If you want to click on service, you want to show service page here. Suppose you want to show different title on different page, like you click on about, you want to show about page here, you want to click on service, you want to show here service page. If you want to change the title on each and every page, then you have to create your own layout under these route. Remember that under about I need to create layout.tsx file, and then you can do that. For doing that, on each and every route you have to create your own separate layout, that is called nested layout file, that we will understand in next video. So in this video I have explained you that each and everything, whatever you want to use like global CSS, or you want to do anything, whatever you want to use in your application, that is starting from this layout file. Remember that. If you understand this concept of layout and you like this video, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.